A clear software comparison starts now. An AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Adobe Photoshop sits firmly in the premium category, and its pricing reflects that position. Instead of a one-time purchase, access is provided through an ongoing subscription model, which immediately frames it as a long-term investment rather than a casual tool. This approach makes sense for professionals who rely on Photoshop daily, but it can feel heavy for hobbyists who only edit occasionally. The subscription gives you continuous updates, cloud integration, and compatibility across devices, which is a big part of what you're paying for, even if that cost adds up over time. What really justifies the pricing for many users is the sheer depth of features. Photoshop is not just an image editor, it's a full creative environment. You get advanced photo retouching tools, non-destructive editing through layers and masks, powerful selection methods, content-aware fills, AI-assisted features, professional typography controls, and precise color management. It's equally comfortable handling photography, digital painting, compositing, UI mockups, social media graphics, and even light video work. Integration with other Adobe apps means files move smoothly between tools, which is critical for studio workflows and agency teams. Another major strength is Photoshop's adaptability. Beginners can start with basic adjustments and presets, while advanced users can dive into actions, scripting, and automation. Brushes are endlessly customizable. Plugins expand functionality even further, and the ecosystem around Photoshop is massive. Tutorials, presets, templates, and community support are everywhere, which lowers the learning curve despite the software's complexity. On top of that, Photoshop's pricing also covers long-term reliability and industry acceptance. Many clients, agencies, and production teams expect Photoshop file formats as a standard, which adds indirect value beyond the tool itself. The ability to open, edit, and deliver universally recognized files can save time and prevent workflow issues. While this doesn't reduce the cost, it does strengthen Photoshop's position as a professional necessity rather than just another editing app. However, the pros come with clear trade-offs. The subscription pricing can feel restrictive, especially if you stop paying and lose access to the software. Performance can also be demanding on older hardware, making it less accessible for users without powerful machines. The interface, while incredibly capable, can feel overwhelming, and mastering Photoshop takes time and consistent practice. For simple illustration or quick edits, it may feel like overkill. In short, Photoshop's pricing makes the most sense for professionals, content creators, photographers, and designers who need industry-standard tools and consistent updates. The features are unmatched in flexibility and depth, but the cost, learning curve, and system requirements mean it's not the perfect fit for everyone. It's a powerhouse, but one that asks for commitment in return. ArtRage follows a straightforward pricing approach centered on ownership rather than subscriptions. It is typically available as a one-time purchase, giving artists permanent access without recurring fees. This model appeals strongly to painters and illustrators who want a long-term tool that feels personal and dependable. By avoiding subscriptions, ArtRage allows creators to focus entirely on their craft, knowing they can keep using the software without worrying about renewals, access restrictions, or feature lockouts. The software is designed to replicate traditional painting as closely as possible in a digital environment. ArtRage specializes in natural media simulation, including oils, watercolors, pencils, markers, and pastels that behave in a realistic way. Paint can blend, smear, and interact with the canvas in a way that feels organic and tactile. Layer support, tracing tools, stencils, and reference images help artists build complex compositions while maintaining a traditional workflow. The interface is clean and uncluttered, keeping attention on the canvas rather than menus. One of ArtRage's strongest advantages is how intuitive it feels for traditional artists transitioning to digital tools. The learning curve is gentle, making it easy to start painting immediately. Stylus support is excellent, offering pressure sensitivity and smooth strokes that mimic real brushes and pencils. Performance is stable, even on modest hardware, and the software works well for concept art, fine art illustration, and expressive painting styles that benefit from natural texture and flow. There are limitations to consider. ArtRage is not designed for advanced photo editing, complex vector work, or large-scale design projects. Its brush system, while realistic, is less customizable compared to more technical digital painting software. Artists who rely on precise control, automation, or heavy compositing may find the feature set limited. However, for painters who value feel and expression over technical complexity, these trade-offs are often acceptable. When it comes to public user feedback, not all creative software platforms display verified Trustpilot ratings. Some services, such as GetQuinn, show public ratings, while others, including ArtRage, may not have official Trustpilot data available. This absence does not reflect quality or reliability. Availability of ratings varies by platform, and missing reviews should be treated as neutral. Exploring artist testimonials, demos, and community forums often provides better insight. Another reason artists stay with ArtRage long-term is the calming, distraction-free experience it provides. The software avoids unnecessary complexity and focuses on the act of painting itself, which helps artists stay immersed for longer sessions. Regular updates improve stability and refine tools, ensuring ArtRage remains a reliable companion for creative exploration and personal art projects over time. Overall, ArtRage offers a focused and satisfying digital painting experience. Its ownership-based pricing, realistic natural media simulation, and beginner-friendly design make it an excellent choice for artists who want a traditional painting feel in a digital space. While it may not replace full creative suites, it excels at what it's designed for and encourages expressive, hands-on creativity. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more creative software comparisons. Click the link below to access ArtRage and Adobe Photoshop directly. Explore their official pages and choose the tools that best support your creative workflow today.